In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Wix domain. Whether you're setting up a new website or enhancing your online presence, securing a custom domain is a crucial step in building your brand. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to the Wix.com sign-up page. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If you're new to Wix, you'll need to create an account, which is quick and easy. Just follow the prompts and you'll be all set. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Domains section within your Wix account. You can usually find this by looking in the menu, but if you're having trouble locating it, check for a direct link in your dashboard. This section is where you'll manage your domain-related tasks, from purchasing to managing settings. Next, you'll see an option called Get a New Domain. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the search page where you can begin your domain quest. In the search bar, enter the domain name you'd like to purchase, including the extension type, such as .com or .net. Once you've input your preferred domain name, click the search button to see if it's available. If the domain is available, congrats. You'll see an option to get it. This means the domain is ready for you to claim, and you can proceed with making it yours. Now, consider how long you'd like to register your domain for. Typically, you can choose from 1 to 3 years. Remember, the longer the registration period you select, the less hassle with renewals. Plus, it can sometimes come with a slight discount. After deciding on the registration period, you'll need to provide your contact details. This information is essential for domain registration and is required by ICANN, the organization overseeing domain names. It's also important to think about your privacy and security preferences. Wix offers private registration, which is great if you want to keep your contact information confidential. Alternatively, there's public registration if you're not concerned about privacy. For enhanced security, DNSSEC is recommended, as it protects against certain types of cyber threats. Lastly, it's time to finalize your purchase. Choose your preferred payment method, whether it's a credit card, PayPal, or another option that Wix supports. Review your order, check for any errors, and complete the transaction. And there you have it, a straightforward process to own your very own Wix domain. This small investment goes a long way in establishing your online presence. Thanks for joining me today, and happy domain hunting!